Welcome students. Now we are going to see about the page number 36, addition using beads. Addition using beads. Okay, now here giving some example sums. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. Okay, now 3 plus 4 are 3. So we kept 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then 4. Okay, 4 means keep 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the dots are kept it. Now we want to make the addition. We want to count all the dots. Okay, va? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? 7. So 7 is the answer. Okay, well, this is the addition. Now the second example. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. The same way we kept the 5 dots or draw the 5 beads. Okay, well, beads means just what? Circle. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads we draw it. Okay, then 1. So we draw only 1 beads. Okay, now addition. 5 plus 1 what ma? We want to count this all the beads. Okay va? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many ma? 6. So 6 is the answer. Okay, well, this is the addition. Very easy, no ma? Now, practice. First question, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Okay, now we draw the 2 beads. Okay, va? Near the 2, we draw the 2 beads or kept 2 dots. 1, 2. Okay, then 3, so 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we want to count this all the dots. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what is the answer? 5. Okay. Now the second one. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. Okay. Near the 4 we kept the 4 dots. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Near the 5 we kept 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now addition. We want to count this all the dots. Okay va? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? 9. So 9 is the answer. Okay va? Now here 1 plus 7. The next question what ma? 1 plus 7. Near the 1 we kept 1 dot. Near the 7 we kept 9 dot. Sorry. Near the 7 we kept 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay va? Now we want to count this all the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what is the answer? 8. Okay, now the last question. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. Same like that. Near the 4 we kept 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Near the 2 we kept 2 dots. 1, 2. Okay. Now we want to count this all the one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is the answer. Okay va? I think you all are understand this. Now here, the left side they are giving 1, 2, 3, 4 sums. This 4 sum, this is your homework. Okay va? Same like that. You do the same process. This 4 is your homework. Now the next page, page number 37. Addition using fingers. Addition using fingers. Addition using fingers. Okay. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. Now in your left hand keep the 3 fingers. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now in your right hand you keep the 5 fingers. Okay, va? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you count this all the fingers. Okay, va? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now how many fingers, ma? 8. Okay, va? This is the way we using the finger, addition using fingers. Okay, then 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Okay, in your left hand keep 2 fingers. 1, 2. In your right hand you keep 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Now you count this all the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 kamita. So this is the way of using the fingers. Okay. Now the next question. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. Okay. In your left hand you keep 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In right hand 4 again 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, va? Now you want to count this all the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many, ma? 8. So you put 8 here. Okay, same like that. 4 plus 4. What, ma? Yes, 8 only. This is the another one method of addition. Then again 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. Okay, in one hand 5 finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. In another hand how many finger? 1. Yes, 1 finger. So you count this all the finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how many fingers? Yes, 6 fingers. Now the next question. 2 plus 4. Sorry. 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7. In one hand 2 fingers. 1, 2. There are 7 fingers having in another hand. No, only 5 fingers only having. No. So we get 7 in a mind. Same, 7 in a mind. 2 in a finger. 7 after 8, 9. How many? 9. Okay, these two sums we make the addition using the beads or the line. Okay, va? 5. So you draw the 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now here 1. So put 1. Now you count all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. Same like that. 2. So you draw the 2 lines. Now here 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you count this all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? 9. Okay, this is how one method. Okay, now same like that, but here giving some options are there. Okay, 3 options they are giving. The same method, the addition only, but in answer they are giving the 3 options. We want to find out the correct answer. Okay, first we make the addition. Okay. First you concentrate in this box. Afterwards you tick that answer. Okay, first of all you want to draw the dots of the respective number. Okay, va? First 2 so 2 dots. Next 3 1, 2, 3. Next 1 so 1. 5 below you draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this you want to keep the dot below the number. Okay, 3 so 1, 2, 3. Then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then here 2. 1, 2. 4 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then here 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then here 1, 2, 3. Okay, we kept all the dots. Now we want to count the line and we want to write the number. Okay, first question 2 plus 3. Okay, you want to keep the dots very clearly, ma. Okay, don't make any mistake. 2 plus 3, so 2, 3. You want to count this first line. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. So write here 5. Okay. Then 1 plus 5, so count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? 7. Okay. Then 7 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? 9. Then 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 6 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that's all. Very easy now? Okay, now the first question answer what now? 5. Now, where is the 5 here? Yes, here. So, we put the tick here. Okay. Then the second question answer 6. Where is the 6? Here. We want to look the straight. Okay, straight line only we want to look, ma. Then 7. Where is the 7? Look at the straight line. Yes, here. So, put the tick. Then 9. Where is the 9? Yes, here it's having. So, put here. Then 8. Where's the 8? Here. Then 9. That's all. Over. Then color 2 numbers which make 8. Which make 8. Now here this answer give it, ma. We want to find out these 2 numbers. Okay, va? What is the answer? 8. Okay. That's giving the first one. You use the color pencil. Okay, well, that is the better for you. Use any color pencil. Okay, 8. The first line they are itself giving. Which circle they are give the color, ma? 1 and 7. This 2 circle only give you the color, no? So 1 plus 7 what? Yes, 8. Kamita. So this 2 number we identify it. Now second and third line we want to identify. Guess your answer. 1 plus 2, this is possible. 1 plus 2 what? Yes, 3. So no possible, impossible. Okay. Now 6 plus 2. Say 6 after 2 numbers. 6 in a mind, 2 in a finger, 6 after 7, 8. Very good. This is correct. So you shade this 2 circle. 2 plus 6 is right answer. This like. Okay. Now the next line. 8. So here they are giving 9. So leave this number. 2 plus 3 what? 2 plus 3 5. So impossible. 7 plus 3? No. This is also impossible. So 7 plus 5? 7 after 8 only come, no. So here giving 5, ma. So we want to shade 3 plus 5. Say 5 after. 5 in a mind, 3 in a finger, 5 after, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So 3 and 5 is the correct answer. You color this 2 box, 2 circles. Okay. Then same like that. Color 2 numbers which make 9 in different way. 9. That we identify the 8. No. Now here 9. Here see, they are itself giving 4 plus 1 what? 4 after 5. So write here 5. Now 5 plus 5? Yes, 10. Very good. Now 10 plus 8? 18 coming. But here giving what? 9 only giving, no. So which like we make the answer, ma? Look that clearly they are using the 2 different colors. What that? Blue, blue. Pink, pink. So we want to add blue and blue. Okay. Now 4 plus 5 what? 9 and 8 plus 1 9. Now here the second line we want to take two different colors. Okay, va? First, yes, 3 plus 6. Very good. 3 plus 6 gives the 9, no? 6 in a mind, 3 in a finger, 6 after, 7, 8, 9. So, you give this two color, this two circle, for example, give the red color for this. Okay, va? Then, we want to identify this next answer. Yes, here itself having 7 after 2 number 8, 9. Kamita. So, 7 and 2. You give what? Pink color. Okay, for this two circle, last two circle, you give the pink color. Okay, the next page, page number 39. Try this. Circle the numbers which gives the sum. What does mean by sum? Sum means also what? Addition only. That means plus. Now here giving the answer 9. We want to find out this two numbers. Which two numbers which gives the number 9? That like we want to identify and we put the circle. For example, see 4, 5. So 4 plus 5 what ma? 4 in a mind, 5 in a finger, 4 after, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 kamita. Like this way. Okay. Now 7, 2. So 7 plus 2 what? 7 in a mind, 2 in a finger, 7 after, 8, 9. Kamita. So like this way we want to find out. Okay. First box 1 and next box 8. 8 plus 1 what ma? 8 in a mind, 1 in a finger, 8 after, 9. Kamita. So you circle this two number like this way. Okay. Okay, then 2, 6. Is that is possible? 6 in a mind, 2 in a finger, 6 after, 7, 8 only coming. So this is wrong. Okay, then here 4 4 here 6. So 4 in a mind, sorry, so we kept 6 in a mind, 4 in a finger, 6 after, 7, 8, 9, 10 coming. So this is also wrong. Okay, then down 3, 6. 6 same like that. 6 in a mind, 3 in a finger, 6 after, 7, 8, 9. 9 kamita. So you circle this two number. Okay. Then here also 6 having no. So 3, 6. So you put again one circle here. Okay. Now here 9. 9 there itself giving. So this is impossible. That's all. Okay. Then now here also 9 give it ma. So 9 plus 1 10 coming. So this is also wrong. That's all. Only 1, 2, 3 circle. Okay. Then mind app. Look. Mind math. Look at the first one and do the rest. We want to observe the first one and same like that we will work out this two sums. Okay, wow. Look at the clearly 5, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2. Which like they are putting? Yes. Your guess is correct. Here applying the addition. Okay, wow. We start from down. First 1, 1. So we add this two number. 1 plus 1. Yes, 2. Here giving okay. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. So, okay. Put like this. Now, 1 plus 2. 1 in a mind. Sorry. 2 in a mind, 1 in a finger, 2 after, 3. Here giving the answer. Where like this only. We want to add the first two and then write the answer up. Okay, then second and third number and write the answer center of this two number. Okay, same like that. 2 plus 3. 2 in a mind, 3 in a finger, 2 after, 3, 4, 5. Understood? Like this only we want to apply here. Same like that. First two number. 2 plus 3 what ma? Yes, you know already, no? 2 in a mind, 2 in a mind, 3 in a finger, 2 after, 3, 4, 5. So what is the answer? 5. we want to write this center of this 2 number. Okay, 5. Now here, this 2 number. 3 in a mind, 1 in a finger, 3 after 4. So write this center. Now we want to count this 2 number and write that 5 in a mind, 4 in a finger, 5 after, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And this 5 plus 1. 5 in a mind, 1 in a finger. 5 in a mind, 1 in a finger. 5 after, 6. Okay. Now 1 in a mind, 2 in a finger. We want to add this second and third number. 1 in a mind, 2 in a finger. 1 after, 2, 3. We already know. No ma. 6 plus 3 what? 6 plus 3 what? 9 no. So write the answer 9 here. Okay. Then here giving the word problem. Mind map to be done orally. Okay. I read out the first question. Listen carefully. Akhilan has 4 pencil. Agilan how many pencil having ma? Agilan has 4 pencil. And Muhilan gave him 2 more. Muhilan give to Agilan again 2. Okay va? First Agilan have how many pencil? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Muhilan give to Agilan again 2 pencil. Again. So again 2 pencil. Okay. First 4 pencil having ma. Again Muhilan give again 2 pencil. Now we want to find out how many pencils does he have totally. What does mean by totally? Yes, this is the totally means also what? Addition only. So we want to count this all the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now Akhilan has finally how many pencil? Yes, 6 pencil. So first 4 pencil ma. Then addition only no. So put the addition symbol. Again Mugilan give how many pencil? 2 pencil. So finally Akhilan have how many pencils ma? We count here no. How many? Yes. 6 pencil. What is the spelling for pencil? P-E-N-C-I-L-S. Pencils. This is the first question. Okay. There are 5 flowers in the plant. In one plant there are how many flowers? 5 flowers. So you count, I getting the dot here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay ma? 5 flowers. And 3 flowers are there in another plant. In another plant, okay, there are 2 plants ma. There are 2 plants. In first plant, how many flowers are there? Yes, 5 flowers. In second plant having no. In that plant having how many flowers? 3 flowers. So get 3 dots again. Okay. Now, how much flowers are there all together? What is meaning for all together? Very good. Addition. So, you want to count that all the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? What is the answer? 8. So, I am writing the below of the question. Okay. This is the answer. First 5 flowers. Addition means put the addition symbol. Then after 3 flowers in second plant, so put the tree. Now what is the answer here? Yes, 8. So 8. What is the spelling of flower? F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Okay. Then third question. Ruby's father gave her 6 chocolates. How many chocolates? 6 chocolates. So keep the 6 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ruby father gave how many chocolates? 6 chocolates. And her mother. Father gives 6 chocolates and her mother gave 2 chocolates. Okay va? Father gave 6 chocolates and mother gave how many chocolates? 2 chocolates. So keep 2 dots. Totally. So what does mean by totally? Yes, addition. Totally, how much chocolate does Ruby have in her hand? Okay va? First totally means addition. So you count this all the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 8. So write the answer here. First father gave 6 chocolates. Addition means put the addition symbol. Then after mother gave how many chocolates? 2 chocolates. Okay. Then equal to. Now finally what is the answer? 8. So 8 chocolates. Okay va? Think like a mathematician. Next page, page number 40. Think like a mathematician. They are giving 4 numbers. Okay va? What are they? 5, 4, 2, 3. And below they are giving 3 questions. The first question what ma? Pick the pair. What does mean by pair? Yes, the set of 2. Okay, 2 numbers joining only, that is a set. Okay, so we make the first 2 number one pair and second 2 number what? Second pair. Okay va? Pick the pair from the above number. From above number we want to, yes, split the pair. This is one pair and this is one pair. Now how many pairs are there? 1, 2 pairs. Okay, write addition fact. Write addition fact. Okay, what does mean by addition fact? We learned from the last class, no? Yes. So we take the first pair. We choose the first pair. 4, 5 addition. So 5 plus 4 equal to 5 in a mind. Yes, we do the addition. 5 in a mind, 4 in a finger. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. Now what's the answer? 9. Addition fact means, yes, cross the number. Now here change and write the number. 4 plus 5. This is the addition fact, no? Yes. Now 4 plus 5 also what? The same answer only come. 9. Okay va? Now pick another pair. Another pair having a what? 2, 3. Okay. Pick another pair of number and write addition fact. Okay. In first question we pick the first pair and do the addition fact. In second question we pick the second pair and do the same the addition fact. What is the second pair? 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 equal to 2 in a mind, 3 in a finger. 2 after 3, 4, 5. So now addition fact means we want to change and write the number. Now here 3 plus 2. What is the answer? Yes, the same answer only come 5. Understood, Amma? Okay. Now the third question. Keep doing it. How many different answer you will get? Okay, using this 4 number we do the addition and we want to make the different answer. Okay va? Listen carefully ma. First 5, 4, 3, 2 So I make the addition 5 plus 4. First 5 plus 4. Next 5, 2. Next 5, 3. Okay va? 5 plus 4, 5 plus 2, 5 plus 3. We get the 3 set of addition. Isn't it no more? First, right? 5, 5, 4. So 5 plus 4 equal to 5 plus 4 what? Yes, 9. Next what? 5 plus 2. Okay. 5 plus 2. 5 in a mind, 2 in a finger. 5 after 6, 7. Yes, 7. Next 5, 3. So 5 plus 3 equal to 5 in a mind, 3 in a finger. 5 after 6, 7, 8. Okay va? Now I kept the 5 samely and changing this all numbers. Now the next number is 4. So 4, 2, 4, 3. Okay va? So 4, 2. So 4, plus 2 equal to 4 in a mind, 2 in a finger, 4 after, 5, 6. Then 4, 3. 4 plus 3. 4 in a mind, 3 in a finger, 4 after, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now, the next number what? 2. So, 2, the next number what? 3. So, 2 and 3. 2, 3. So, 2 plus 3 equal to what? Yes, 5. That's all, ma. Okay, va? First, I kept the 5 and changing the next and writing the next number. Then, write the next number 4 and write the and make the sum of the next numbers. Then 2 plus 3.